Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. Let's get started. As always, there's a Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, you can read about how to test for mobile compatibility using Google Search Console. In today's digital age, ensuring that your website's mobile-friendly is crucial. It gives you a better user experience. The search engine optimization is going to click. Like Google search is going to index you first if you're mobile ready. Did you know that? So there's some prerequisites to doing this dance, and let's get to that list. You're going to have a web page or a website that you manage, that you have access to it, and you have a Google account set up and live and ready to go. Then you're going to go to the Google Search Console and make sure that there's a no index tag not present in your content so that the Google bot can do its dance and index your site. Okay? So going down through the document, the first thing you're going to do is open Google Search Console, and you've got access to that because of your Google account, right? The one I've been sermonizing about for months now. And you're going to select your property from that list that's on the left-hand side. Make sure you're on the right page to do this. On the left, you're going to see URL inspection tool. Okay? So select that, and then in the top right on your desktop, you're going to see a box, and you put in the URL that you want to inspect. That's why it's called that. So you check it out and run the compatibility report, look through it, and see which things you've got to fix. Now, remember the part about I said you have a web page that you manage? You also got access to the back end. Okay, you can make changes. So let's look at the list of things you don't want to have, okay? There's some issues that are listed out there in the Google document. And then I'm going to read you the list of common issues to look out for, sort of gravy on the potatoes of that other list. So the common issues to look out for: small text, wider content, your content doesn't fit the screen of the phone or the tablet. If you've got unsupported software, like if you've inherited a website that still had Flash on it, like I did one time. If the links are too close together, like they're all just stacked up right there, and somebody has to take their fingers and scroll and slide, you don't want that to happen. If you've got pop-ups, that's no good. Autoplay videos, that's no good. Slow loading times, that's an issue with your SEO. You're going to rank lower if your site is slower, is the mantra. If you got a non-responsive design, non-responsive means it's not mobile compatible. Okay, and there's some layouts that you can get out there that are not that way, believe it or not. If you've got inconsistent visuals, and lastly, the desktop display doesn't have a mobile version or a responsive design that'll send a mobile user to that content. Okay, all you've got is a desktop version. So that's the whole thing. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.